was supposed to did this top knot for y'all. Cause that last video I listed, like 5 minutes into the video, it just like went silent. I'm like, damn, did I stop talking? Okay, y'all know this hair is like mixed, so I'm actually just gonna take this out, and then I'm gonna take the orange out separately, because I don't know if I want to have it mixed. I don't know yet, so that's what I'm doing. But yeah, that video kind of got messed up, so I know I owed this to y'all. I know I owe this to y'all. I know y'all like, where have you been? But did y'all join my Mother's Day giveaway though? That's the real question. Okay, let's see. Okay, y'all. Look, y'all know I got a peanut head, so I do not want my ball to be too big. So this is the amount of hair of the orange that I took from the pack. This is the amount of the, what color is this? Like a blondish kind of color, rust, I don't know. And I took out one bundle, but I'm not sure. Well, I don't think I'm going to use this whole thing. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to split this in half. Y'all know my head is like super small, and I don't want it to be like too big, so I'm going to take out. Okay, I'm going to take half of it. Okay. So now I'm going to put all these together. I'm going to put the two colors next to each other. Put my rubber band back on. That. And look, we just doing a top knot, and we just leveling it up with a little bit of color. I don't know how this go look, y'all. This is like an experiment. First, we're going to put this on. So I put it on like that. Okay. Then I'm going to take the pieces that I'm going to leave out for the wraparound. I'm going to leave that out right now, which is going to be a little bit of black. A little bit of orange. Do I want all three colors or just two? I'm going to do just two. Then I'm going to take my clip and put this to the side. And I'm going to just start with the colors. So just watch me work. Sorry, y'all. I didn't know I was doing that. Okay. Now for the last piece. So this is how it came out. That was quick, huh? That didn't even take long. All right. So I just pizzazzed up my top knot, gave it a little color for spring, summer, you know. Gonna be wearing some bright colors, probably. Yeah, I like how that came out. You can barely see that brown looking color though. This one right here, you can't see it that much, but it's still cute. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think about leveling up this top knot. And what colors you think I should try next. I could have did like a purple and a hot pink with the black. What? Okay, next.